Welcome to the UVic Library's new website. When you have a minute, take some time to look around. This is only a short tour that can't cover everything, just some information that you might find helpful. We know that grad students often take on multiple roles in the university community. Whether you're a student, instructor, researcher, or a combination, the libraries are here to support you in each of these roles. You can find a link to information for students at the top of the homepage. The Students page lists some supports specifically geared toward graduate students, including a dedicated quiet study area and resources to help you with your thesis or dissertation. If you're teaching a class or involved in a research project, you may find other helpful resources on our pages for instructors and researchers, which you can access from the Info For bar at the top of every page. Our workshops menu gives details about library workshops that cover many different topics. You can browse the full list or filter by audience, topic, or location. Some workshops teach specialized skills and tools. You might find them helpful for research or teaching. The new website also has some brand new content that you're welcome to check out. The Media and Making page highlights the creation spaces in the library, from 3D printing and laser cutting to media editing and podcast creation. Wondering about the rules for using generative AI? Explore our Gen AI resources for students, instructors, or researchers, depending on your role. Did you know that the libraries offer awards, fellowships, and scholarships every year? The overviews on the new website can let you know when and how to apply. If you want to keep up with what's happening in the library, sign up for our student newsletter by following the link on the Students page. We're also always looking for student feedback, so join our user engagement mailing list for opportunities to make your voice heard.